Welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a staycation at Solaire Resort and Casino with a beautiful view of Manila Bay behind me. It's going to be a great time. Come check it out with me. Hello, welcome to the Philippines and Solaire. Come in. You guys, we are doing a staycation today. I want to show you our room, which is pretty basic. We have a deluxe with 2 queen beds. Here we are, nice and comfy. But really what's exciting about this room is they upgraded us and gave us the view of Manila Bay. Check it out, you guys. Actually, Manila Bay, it's famous for their sunsets. So we'll come back and check out the sunset, but check out the view. Let's look at the rest of the room. So there is a desk, very basic desk with the TV, which is actually kind of weird because it's not right in front of the bed. Okay, so here, let's open this. I think it's the closet. Oh, no, it's the bar. So it looks like they give you some free water and some teas, and actually I don't know if there's a charge for this. I'm gonna check in the front desk, but there's some tea and coffee and a safe. No, it's a refrigerator. Nothing in there, so we're not gonna be afraid of opening it and getting charged like in Vegas. And closet. You know what I like though? They actually have bathrobes and slippers. I swear the last staycations in Vegas, I noticed they didn't have slippers. And the safe. And there's a couple of drawers. It's just extra storage space. All right, let's check out the bathroom. I love looking at bathrooms in hotels. So we have a shower and tub area separated out. And oh, look at this. Look at all these amenities. All right, let's see what they have. They have a dental kit, 2 dental kits, a shower cap, a sanitary bag, a nail file, a shave kit, a vanity kit, and a sewing kit. I love it. And more water. And the toilet, which does not have a door. It's just kind of in one big space. All right, let's check out their pool. The pool is set against the Manila Bay, which is just gorgeous. There's no sun right now, but here we are. Oh my God, you guys, it's gorgeous. There's a couple day beds. I don't know if it's gonna rain, but no sun. It's huge. This pool space is really big. So they have some lounge chairs with some towels. I like it. It's nice. There's a bar up there. It's not a swim up bar, but definitely a bar. Actually, let me come up to the end. Gorgeous. You guys, look how huge this space is. I love it. This is Jaira. She's gonna give us a tour of the gym.
With the gym rooms are open at 6 in the morning and 12 in the evening.
Okay.
The towels are and the water is already provided.
Oh, very nice.
Yes.
Okay.
From here we have cardio machines.
Okay, so we have some treadmills.
Treadmill, rower,
These are all
selectorized machines.
selectorized
So
machines.
it's
Okay.
because it called selectorized, it use different target of your body.
Oh,
Functional training zone.
functional training zone. Okay, I like this. This is a very big gym. So I like boxing. They have boxing bags. Okay, so there's equipment, so gloves. Okay. Very nice.
We have a locker, so you can keep your things safe.
Okay. Oh, and a little vanity. Okay. Oh, the shower area. Very nice. Guys, look how nice the shower area is. It's actually quite big.
Hey guys, let's check out Waterside.
I got my cocktail. It's got mango and white rum in it with a dried mango piece in it. Delicious. Let's try it. Oh guys, it's really good. Solaire's signature restaurants include Finestra, which is an Italian steakhouse, Yakumi for Japanese food, Red Lantern for Chinese cuisine, and Kiwa for Korean dishes. For more casual dining, you'll find Waterside, which we saw earlier, Fresh Buffet for amazing all-you-can-eat lobster, Kanbu for Korean fried chicken, Lucky Noodles has Asian soup, noodles, and rice dishes, Abe for Filipino dishes, and you can dine poolside at their bar and grill. To satisfy your sweet tooth, the patisserie is a spot for cakes and pastries. And for coffee, they have the coffee bean and tea leaf. For quick bites at a lower price point, they have a food court. Yatai serves Japanese food. At Pan Asian, you'll find a fusion of various Asian dishes. Both Filipiniana and Sandok serve Filipino cuisine. At Americano, you'll find hot dogs, pasta, wings, and pizza. And finally, at the bakery, you'll find cakes, muffins, and cookies. Let's head into the Dragon Bar. Okay, here's what I got. I got a cappuccino and cheesecake. Let's check out the gaming floor. One of the most unique things I've ever seen is Players Stadium. It's a large electronic table game space with live dealers and games like blackjack, baccarat, and roulette. It's exclusive to Solaire and the largest in the world. Come on, Red. Christmas Red, we need a Red, you guys. Come on, Red. It is rolling. It's either red, black.
Yes!
You won? We got it, we won! There are over 1,000 slot games and 300 tables. I noticed there are several familiar slot games like Dragon and Lightning Link that you'll find in Las Vegas, but not some of the popular games like Buffalo. And also, there are some I've never seen before. It's important to note that there aren't any video poker machines, which is very odd to me since I live in Las Vegas and poker machines are so popular. In Vegas, blackjack and craps are quite popular. You'll always find people around a craps table. Here, it appears that roulette and baccarat were more popular. Minimum bets for this Saturday evening that I saw were around 5,000 to 7,000 pesos, which is roughly $50 to $100-ish. There's something for everyone here at Solaire, including shopping. There are over 30 luxury shops to choose from, including Louis Vuitton, Gucci, and Prada. Treat yourself. And finally, big surprise is that there's actually a shooting range called Sky Range at Solaire. It's a 20-lane indoor range. How cool is that? I did catch the beautiful sunset over Manila Bay. Just wanted to share with you guys. Thanks so much for hanging out with me again. Until the next video, stay safe. Bye. Thank you so much for watching. If there's any other video you'd like to see, let me know in the comments below. Let's keep in touch. I'm on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter at In and Out of Vegas.